If you've been looking into AI response evaluator jobs, you've probably seen the same platforms mentioned over and over. But the real question is, where can you actually start? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 platforms where this type of work exists and what each one is like. Before we get into the list, one thing to understand. These platforms are just entry points. The actual work is very similar across all of them. You're reviewing AI answers, checking if they're correct, and fixing or explaining what's wrong. Outlier AI is one of the most direct platforms for this type of work. You'll usually be reviewing AI responses, rating them, and explaining your reasoning. The structure is pretty clear, and there's a steady flow of projects when you're active, but like most platforms, it depends on availability. DataAnnotation.tech. This is one of the more accessible platforms. They offer a mix of tasks, but response evaluation is a big part of it. You might be rating answers, rewriting them, or comparing different responses. It's easier to get started here compared to more selective platforms. Next, we have Evaluator. This one focuses more on structured evaluation. The work tends to be a bit more detailed, especially when it comes to reasoning and accuracy. There's more emphasis on how you explain your decisions, not just what you select. So it's slightly more demanding, but also more structured. Scale AI is one of the main companies behind a lot of AI training work. You don't always work directly through them. A lot of their tasks come through partner platforms, but this is where much of the evaluation work actually originates. So it's worth knowing how it fits into the system. They build the datasets and systems that train AI models, and they rely on large groups of people to review and improve outputs. That includes rating which AI answer is better, fixing incorrect responses, checking if outputs follow instructions. So, when you're working on platforms like Outlier or similar, there's a good chance the work is coming from systems like Scale AI. It's more structured than most people expect. You're given clear guidelines. You follow specific rules for how to evaluate responses. You're not just giving opinions, you're applying a standard. Companies track accuracy, consistency, how well you follow instructions, because this work directly affects how AI behaves. High-quality human input is what makes these models better. And last but not least, we have TELUS AI. This one offers more structured roles. Some of their positions include evaluating AI responses, search results, or content. The setup feels more like a part-time job compared to gig-style platforms. It's a bit more formal, but also more stable when work is available. And one of my top favorite ways for making real money online and acquiring high-income skills as a beginner can be found in the description of this video. Go take a look, compare your options, and see what else is out there. Because no matter which platform you use, the job itself doesn't really change. You're still reading AI responses, deciding if they're correct, and explaining your reasoning. The platform just determines how you get access to the work. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this one, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.